It's me
And me.
and Grumpus. How can you be grumpy at the Magic Kingdom? Grump.
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's a little windy. Sorry about the wind noise. But look where we are. It's our first visit to the Magic Kingdom this trip.
Yeah.
Boy, he's excited.
Uh-huh.
We have plans at Liberty Tree Tavern for dinner.
Yep.
And some fast passes, so we'll see how busy it is. Maybe we can do some other rides. We'll see what we get done.
Yeah. It's pretty quiet right now. At the end.
Yeah. And it really feels like we're at Disney when you're at Magic Kingdom. It kind of doesn't feel right until you're here. I planned to be here the first night, but I was getting a cold before we left, so that didn't happen. I was ready for bed. But here we go, first time in. Oh, City Hall's under scrim. Oh, it's parade time. Okay, that was our night at the Magic Kingdom. It was crowded. Wow.
Yeah.
It was crowded.
Yeah.
We rode a couple rides. We did Philharm Magic. Philharm Magic. And we ate at Liberty Tree Tavern, which is an all-you-can-eat. The food is exceptional. I love the food there. The pot roast. Oh, I don't even like pot roast. I hate pot roast. Ugh. It's delicious. The meaty gravy they have on it. Oh.
Yeah. All you can eat Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Some
Yes.
people don't know.
Yes, it's like all you can eat Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner, Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
You get mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, broccoli, turkey, pot roast. What am I forgetting?
No.
Cranberry sauce.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all I mean.
And you get salad and bread, and then you get a gooey toffee cake.
I don't really know what that was.
Ooey gooey toffee cake, some kind of toffee cake that is kind of like a really soft chocolate chip toffee cookie with ice cream. Delicious. But after you've eaten all that food, you're so full.
Yeah, you're all a food baby.
I just told Steve when we get close together now, our food babies meet.
Yeah.
Oh God, all we've done is eat.
Today anyway, yeah, feel like it.
We rode Mine Train. Oh, it was such a good ride. I love that ride.
Yeah.
It was such a good ride. But it's busy. It's going to be thunderstormy tonight. Hopefully it'll be over with by tomorrow morning, but I think it's supposed to be most of the day tomorrow.
Maybe rainy tomorrow, not thundery, but
Oh,
rainy.
just rainy. That'll be fine. I'm not big on
Right.
thunder, but
I hope we empty our park a little bit.
let's hope.
I hope.
Well, it's our first time in Magic Kingdom. We will be back soon.
Oh, okay.
We will.
Alright.
Thank you all so
Yeah.
much for watching.